Listening to the data, listening to people around you, to experts, in a way that you're leaving your ego outside.
So how do we know what to say yes to? What am I most passionate about? Where can I have the greatest impact? And what best sets me up for a lifetime of service?
It's very important what a person contributes to society, to his country.
You have to be somebody that people want to work with. Living up to your word, always doing what you say you're going to do, and that reputation goes a really long way.